Good day, I'm Lisa Rowe and this is your JIS News for Thursday, September 26, 2024. Several members of the Spicy Grove community in Arokabessa St. Mary are now landowners. This follows the government's regularization of their previously informal settlement. At Wednesday's contract signing and groundbreaking ceremony, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness announced that the government will survey and title 70 lots. Residents will also have access to proper roads and water supply. Dr. Holness stressed the importance of land ownership in fostering community protection.
It is very important that we regularize informal settlements, that the people who live in these communities take ownership. You see, this business of living somewhere and you don't feel like you own it, it means that you don't take the kind of responsibility for the community that you should.
In the meantime, Member of Parliament for the area, Robert Montague, encouraged residents not to sell their properties.
Hold on to your land. It is your heritage, it is your right, because the value of this land is going to get higher and higher and higher.
The Malvern Health Centre in St. Elizabeth has officially reopened after a comprehensive $54 million upgrade as part of the Ministry of Health and Wellness's Operation Refresh program. The revamped health centre, which reopened last Friday, now features nearly 1,000 square feet of enhanced space, including new offices, an expanded waiting area, a large records office, and dedicated spaces for public health inspectors. Renovations also included improvements to windows, doors, boundary walls, and parking facilities. The building is equipped with a new air conditioning system and other amenities designed to improve comfort for both patients and staff. In his remarks, Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Tufton said the modernized facility will boost the quality of care provided to residents of Malvern and surrounding communities.
The objective of this is to enhance the attractiveness of our community health facilities. We don't want people to pass who live in Malvern, walk or drive past Malvern Health Centre and go all the way down to Black River, because them no respect or rate what them see from the gate. The services that we offer starts with the appearance of those facilities that offer the services. So we're trying to restore, improve, put back maximum credibility in our primary healthcare facilities.
$5 million has been set aside to support dairy farmers following the passage of Hurricane Beryl. Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining Minister Floyd Green made the announcement during Tuesday's sitting of Parliament. The funds will compensate farmers for 50% of the losses incurred during the hurricane, primarily due to power outages. Minister Green says the support will take the form of direct cash grants.
Our dairy farmers have already received 20 tons of feed and about 30 relief kits, which consists of recovery medicine for animals and cleaning agents. We're currently repairing the infrastructure, milking parlor infrastructure for 3 farmers.
In addition to the support for dairy farmers, Minister Green revealed that beef farmers will receive $7.1 million to assist those affected by the hurricane.
We're going to be providing them with some supplementary feed in the form of sugar at about $5 million. We're going to provide $1.8 million worth of pollen supplement, and we're also going to be providing $200,000 to focus for a number of beef farmers on training.
Still in news from Parliament, Montego Bay Metro has seen an increase in ridership in the first 3 weeks of September 2024 when compared to the corresponding period in September 2023. That's according to the Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Darrell Vaz. Minister Vaz says the expansion of the Montego Bay Metro service has been positively impacting service in Western Jamaica.
We have seen a 35% increase in the number of students transported this period when compared to 2023, and a 24% increase in the number of seniors transported and a 31% increase in the number of adults transported over this period. A total of 58,185 Jamaicans were transported during September 2024, when compared to 40,199 during the same period for 2023.
Meanwhile, the JUTC will resume the transportation of Caribbean Maritime University students and staff.
An arrangement is in place for staff and students to be taken to the campus in the mornings and picked up between 2 p.m. and 4:15 p.m. daily. Additionally, we extend the support through cooperation with the JUTC drivers along the 98 route to ensure CMU students must be taken to the school compound once they are on the buses. I've been informed by the JUTC that there are 5 buses currently along the 98 route, with 1 bus specifically assigned to the CMU.
In other news, St. Anne has a new custos in the form of businessman and philanthropist Joseph Issa. The official swearing-in ceremony took place at King's House last week, where Governor General Sir Patrick Allen presented Mr. Issa with the instrument of office. Mr. Issa succeeds Norma Walters, who held the position since 2014 after taking over from her late husband, Radcliffe Walters. In his remarks, the Governor General congratulated Mr. Issa on his appointment.
Mr. Issa's contribution to business and the community, and also in community service, are very well known. And I wish him the very best as he takes on this respected role.
Mr. Issa, who described himself as a made-in-Jamaica product of St. Anne, says he has a deep love for the parish.
In looking back, what hit me was how inspired I was by just about every aspect of St. Anne, and it's helped manifesting today. The last 30 years, without me realizing it, has taken me into every nook and cranny of St. Anne, and always trying to make tomorrow better than today.
And finally, students in the community of Woodhall, Clarendon and surrounding areas now have access to Wi-Fi thanks to the Universal Service Fund. Member of Parliament Robert Morgan says the availability of Wi-Fi near schools aims to enhance students' education.
I want these children to understand that just like how I could be standing here as a minister in front of them, sitting in government, they can be anything they want to be. I want to be an example that good things, enough good things come from Woodhall, I want to be the next good thing, I want to continue to be the good thing, and you can be a good thing that come from Woodhall.
Vice Principal of the Beulah All-Age School, Ms. Khadid McFarlane, also expressed her gratitude for the improved internet access.
I know for the students of Woodhall Primary School, Infant School, Mount Providence, Beulah, and the other students who will benefit, I know they will use it wisely. I'm thinking about research, I'm thinking about projects, homework, completing assignments for school, getting information that they so need.
Additionally, 10 students received tablets from the Universal Service Fund. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks for watching.